Hey everyone, welcome back to Shade Review. Today's video is a little bit silly, but also very serious because I want to talk about how this exact pair of Randolph Engineering sunglasses legitimately saved my eye from a lot of potential damage. So as you probably already noticed, these sunglasses are completely bent and destroyed and basically not wearable at the moment. But after assessing the damage, I'm pretty confident I can make these sunglasses look absolutely perfect. And I'm going to actually fix these and demonstrate how to kind of fix a bent pair of sunglasses like these in the end of the video and then show you the end result. Hopefully it's going to come out perfect. All right, so let's get into the incident that caused these sunglasses to have a crazy amount of damage and my eye to be protected because of the sacrificial pair of sunglasses. All right, so a little bit of backstory to kind of paint the picture here. I accidentally left the auxiliary lights on in my truck for a couple days and didn't notice it. So when I went to turn on the truck a couple days later, it didn't really want to start. It did fire up, but it didn't really want to start. It sounded like the battery was dying. So I drove the pickup to do a couple different errands, and when I went into the store, I just left the truck running. That way the alternator would continue to charge up the battery. So when I got home, I pulled the truck directly into the garage. That way I could easily attach it to the 12-volt battery charger and completely charge up that main battery. It's a full-size truck, so there's not a lot of room around the side of the truck if it's pulled into the garage. When I got out of the truck, there were some packages in the way from going around the front where the driver's side is. So I actually had to walk around the back side of the truck and go in that way. As I was walking around the truck, I noticed that I actually pushed a cooler a couple inches and was taking a look at it, making sure that it wasn't broken, thinking, oh, I'm an idiot. I should have, made sure that I could pull into the garage before I actually did, because I was hoping I didn't break the truck, which thankfully I did not. So my eyes were on the ground, and what I didn't see is my hammer driver drill handle was sticking out directly at eyesight, and unfortunately I ran into it, full steam, full force, and absolutely smashed the sunglasses against the handle of the drill. The drill went flying, my sunglass went flying, and here is that really embarrassing video. All right, so as you can see, I ran into that with a ton of force. I was not expecting it at all. I couldn't even fake this if I wanted to, because that really actually kind of hurt. I was not expecting that handle to be there, because normally it's not. But a couple days ago, I was drilling 1/2-inch holes into a cement slab for those red head anchors to be able to anchor something down to the cement. And unfortunately, when I was in the project, I was lazy and then didn't take that handle off of the drill. So I was not expecting it to be there. And again, that's definitely my bad. All right, so that's the incident. I'm an idiot, but thankfully I'm not damaged and the sunglasses are damaged, but not damaged for too much longer. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix these. But what I do wanna talk about is how these really, really strong Randolph nylon lenses fared. And here we can see there are no scratching on them whatsoever. Now the handle was kind of like rubberized, so it wasn't like a hard plastic. So that definitely helped a little bit, but that impact was really, really hard. And the sunglass lenses themselves are in perfect condition. They didn't shatter, they didn't scratch, and they still look really, really nice. The only thing that happened is the nose pad is completely caved in here. Hopefully that shows up on camera. The entire hinge here is also bent, and then the temple here is bent as well, because again, it was a really, really heavy hit. So let's go ahead and take a look at these sunglasses on the table, and I'm gonna show you how I can actually adjust them and make them look brand new. All right, so here is an up close look at the damage of the sunglasses, and here we can see they are completely bent here on the left side, and the nose pad is also bent as well. Now, if the nose pad, you can use a specialized tool, but basically you can just kind of use your nail and kind of bend these out and kind of give them a custom fit to the face. So here we can see it doesn't really take too much to kind of bend that nose pad back. You don't have to be an expert to figure that out. Now again, you don't want to do too many moves, because eventually if you move it back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, it can break. So definitely be careful with your adjustments and try not to put too much pressure on one specific spot. But here we can see that nose pad is now good to go just after kind of bending it for a couple seconds. And I'm going to do a test on my face as well to make sure they still work good. Now the really big bend is going to be where the front meets the hinge right here. So also this piece right here is going to be the main problem. We can see that's completely bent. So here on the good side, we can see it looks perfect. And here we can see it's bent really, really badly. So typically what we're going to use is a tool that looks similar to this. And with this tool, we're going to be able to go ahead and grab the frame like this, and we're just going to bend it. Some people put electrical tape here on the back side, that way it doesn't scratch the frame. That's typically what I do, but I want to give you guys a really good demonstration of how that contact works. Now you want the smooth side of this tool to be rested here on the front of the frame, that way it doesn't scratch it or mar it up as easily. I'll give you guys a side angle here to give you guys a really good idea of what's happening. And here we can see we have really good contact here and here. So once we have the good contact, we're just going to go ahead and bend it back, and we're going to try to bend it back in the exact same direction that it originally was. So give it a couple bends, and here we can see it's still going to be a little bit messed up, so I'm going to bend it one more time. It's going to be really hard to film this and kind of bend it, so I'm going to go a little off camera for a little bit to kind of get this absolutely perfectly. That way I can kind of see what's going on myself. So don't be afraid to bend it a decent amount. You're not going to really do too much damage to the frame. And here we can see after just a couple bends, we're basically absolutely perfect. Now, the only other bend that we got to do is the temple. So here we can see there is definitely a kink here on the temple, and it is completely bent out. So here what we're going to do is use these tools, and I'm going to leave these tools in the description down below. These are just kind of cheap tools, but you really do want the plastic here on them. That way they don't scratch the frame. You could get away with wrapping a pair of normal pliers with electrical tape or something like that. That definitely could work as well. So if this bend, we're going to want to make sure it bends back at the same bend. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go very close to that same original bend there, and we're going to just kind of bend it back in the right place. So again, we're going to support it with this hand, and we're just going to give it just a tiny, tiny bend. It really doesn't need too much. And here we can see that bend is completely gone, and that temple looks absolutely brand new. Now with that temple adjusted, we can see that this part is going to be too much inward. So we're going to just actually kind of bend that with our fingers just like that. And now with these adjustments done, this pair of sunglasses is almost good as new. And I'm going to make these absolutely perfect off camera, but it's really hard to do them when the camera's right here and the camera is in the way, but they are basically almost as good as new, just after making a couple of adjustments and a couple of, couple dollar tools. These tools are really not expensive, maybe, $4 each or something like that. And it's super easy to go in and fix your pair of sunglasses. Well, that's about it for this video. I do want to give a big thank you to Randolph for making such high quality eyewear that will bend but not break. It basically strategically bent to kind of take away that pressure, but it didn't break anything. My eyes were protected with these very strong and durable nylon lenses. And now after just a couple seconds of adjustments, the sunglasses are almost as good as new. So if you guys want to buy a pair of Randolphs, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but I really do recommend them. They are made in USA, handmade in USA. They've been doing this since the 1970s. Really, really high-end stuff here. But that's all I got for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below, and of course, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and then you'll be notified every single time I upload a brand new video just like this one to our YouTube channel. Again, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you all in the next one.